I am Faisal, working as a teacher in government school. She is my wife, Rashida, and these are my children, Messi, Mary, and Nunu. Actually, we are from Kerala, and my children, Messi and Mary, made a record, so we are proud of them. They solved a 3x3 Rubik's cube. They have done it simultaneously. We are also convey our thanks to International Book of Records, and also we are very thankful to the entire team who have selected our children for their success. Thank you.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646 803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.
I'm Simple Quatra. I'm Mrs. India 2014. By profession, I'm architect and interior designer. This prestigious sash which I'm wearing today and the crown which I'm wearing today is the second one. I'm very thankful to International Book of Records for acknowledging my efforts, my hard work, my achievements, and bestowing me with this great award of Apt Women Award. And it's a very good platform for all the women who want to show to the world what they are. Be the trailblazers, frame your own rules, keep inspiring and empowering women.